Hello, this is Bonita Palmer with BGP Group Action Coach. Welcome to Your Local Business Owner Spotlight. The purpose is to interview local business owners and promote them through my social channels. It's my way of giving them exposure and promoting them locally. This is a complimentary service I do because I believe that business and life should be balanced, growing, and prosperous. If we all help support local business, we all improve the local economy. Today, I have the pleasure of talking with Alice Msachi, the owner of NKC Accounting LLC. Welcome, Alice. It's great to have you on the program today.
Hey, thanks, Bonita. Glad to be here.
Wonderful. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's start off with you just telling us a little bit about yourself and about your business. Give us your 60-second commercial.
All right. So as you mentioned, my business is NKC Accounting LLC. I'm located in Liberty Township, Ohio. So I have an accounting firm for small business owners, and I work with small business owners not only to guide them with their accounting setup, but also to understand the compliance issues for taxes, as well as be able to save money for retirement or whatever financial goals they have. I also work with individuals. Most of them are senior managers around the corporations here, like PG, GE, and Kroger.
How long have you been in business?
So this is my 4th year, but I've been a CPA since 2000.
Okay, very good. So small businesses and individuals is your target market?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So we know that the last year really caused a lot of change in the face of most businesses, especially local businesses with the pandemic. What's been the biggest impact of the pandemic on you, and maybe one or two things that you've had to change and do differently since the pandemic?
So the biggest impact I saw was the growth. Actually, there was growth because a lot of people realized they needed the expertise of an accountant to get some of the programs or fully understand the programs that were out there, the stimulus packages, the PPP loan. So what I learned from all that is how crucial it is to actually have a relationship with your accountant who's available. Most of the people I was getting, they either had someone doing their taxes at year end only. That's not a business relationship. That's a transactional, get in compliance, we are done kind of relationship. So when they went back, they were not available for, consultation as such, or the fees were higher for a lot of small business owners. So it was more complimentary for me just to kind of help them out, which may not have been the best business model, but I think COVID impacted a lot of people in different ways. So was just there to help people. But now looking from that, it's like, okay, how do I establish myself? So I'm actually not spending too much time giving out advice instead of working in my business. So find that balance and be able to take on clients that obviously can't afford the services of a retainer, but have a different package for them. So that was a learning point because I think I spent a lot of unpaid hours during COVID.
Very good, very good. So you were able to shift and change as needed, and you were also able to help other businesses do the same thing then. Yes,
I think the goal was educate people, empower them so they can get through this.
Wonderful, wonderful. That's a great service for business owners to be able to have, especially I'm sure that you probably had a lot of brand new business owners that were coming your way as well, looking for direction.
Yes, I did.
Very good. So something that was hard on the economy in general was actually something that was good for your business.
Yes, it was. On the flip side, yes, we did fine. The accounting community, I think, did well because we were there to hold people's hands.
Very good. Very good. So, Alice, it's been said that smart people learn from their mistakes, but wise people learn from the mistakes of others. So, what mistakes have you made in your entrepreneurial journey that you can share with the next generation of entrepreneurs and business owners?
I think pretty early, not surrounding yourself with people of like mind, probably even within the same industry, like your competitors can be the best mentors for you. And that's what I found, because at first, reaching out to other accountants, I was hesitant, thinking, hey, they'll look at me as a competitor. But the more I reached out, the more I gained from their experience. So don't operate in a vacuum.
That is great advice. I love hearing that. Co-opetition is so much better than competition. So that's great that you had a tribe that you could reach out to.
Yes.
So I'm going to go ahead and give your get your contact information and put it in the post so that everyone will know how to reach you. But can you just take a minute to tell everyone how they can get in contact with you? And if there's anything that you would like to add, if you have any special offers or any events that are coming up that you'd like to share with everyone?
Okay, so starting with this month, July, on the 6th at 11:30, which I'll be doing a webinar, and this webinar is for independent contractors or people like us who are thinking of getting and hiring an independent contractor. So understand the issues surrounding that. And that will be posted on my website, or they can find it on my Facebook page. So the website is nkcaccounting.com, or you can go to my Facebook page, which is facebook.com/nkcaccounting. So that information will be there. The goal is that every second Tuesday of the month, I come online it's not a live, it's a webinar for 30 minutes where I share, just drill down to what's important because people are busy. Then I'll stay on for another 15 minutes for those who have questions and things like that. So we get them answered. They have the information. The goal is to make sure we have informed and empowered business owners.
Okay, very good. So if they happen to miss this Tuesday, with this being a holiday week, there's probably a lot of people vacationing and what have you. If they miss this Tuesday, then they can catch you did you say the first Tuesday or the second Tuesday of each month?
The first Tuesday of each month. And there will be recordings that will be put on the website going forward. So it may be a week or two before you see, the last webinar.
Okay, very good. All right. Well, that's exciting. I hope everyone takes the opportunity to hop on the webinar and check it out. Now, before we close, one last question. Can you share with us what inspires you the most?
So I love a challenge. I love to solve problems, but I want to solve them on my own time with flexibility, which is why I started this company. That way I have flexibility to spend with my family, but still do what I love, which is solving other people's accounting problems or tax problems. So, just being with my family inspires me. The name itself, NKC, actually are initials for my family. N is my daughter, K is my son, and C is my husband.
Oh, that's beautiful. I love that. I love that. That is very inspiring.
Yeah, so it reminds me why I started all this. It's for them, so I can be here and available, spending time with them. Why I still do what I love.
Very good. Very
Yes.
good. All right, Alice, I just want to thank you so much for joining me today and for sharing your business with all of us. I wish you the very best moving forward with your business. This does conclude our program for today. I want to thank you all for joining. I am Bonita Palmer with BGP Group Action Coach, and this has been your Business Owner Spotlight. May your life and business continue to be balanced, growing, and prosperous. Have a wonderful day.